ChatGPT is a chatbot platform that helps businesses automate their customer service interactions. It offers a suite of features that allow businesses to manage customer interactions, including chatbots, and surveys. Businesses can use ChatGPT to create a customer service chatbot and then use it to respond to customer questions, provide customer support, and more. Here are a few ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. Number 1. Generate content for websites and YouTube. By using ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, or product descriptions, you can create high-quality content for your own website or for clients. This can help increase traffic to the site, which can lead to more ad revenue or affiliate income. ChatGPT is especially useful for writing the tidbits of an article that you might find boring, like introductions and conclusions. Number 2. Write social media posts. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging and on-brand social media posts. This can help increase the reach and engagement of your social media accounts, which can in turn help increase affiliate income or lead to paid partnerships with brands. Number 3. Create chatbot conversations. ChatGPT can be used to generate conversations for chatbots, which can be used to engage with customers and provide customer service. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and, in turn, increased revenue. Number 4. Create email campaigns. GPT can be used to write persuasive email campaigns and even craft the emails from scratch, including the subject line, greeting and closing line, etc. Also, it can be used to generate personalized email content for the target audience, and it may lead to better open rates and conversion rates. Number 5. Create e-commerce product listings. ChatGPT can be used to write compelling and accurate product descriptions for e-commerce websites. It can help increase sales by providing potential customers with detailed and accurate information about a product. Number 6. Content creation for online courses and tutorials. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality instructional content for online courses and tutorials. This can help increase the value of your course and lead to more sales. Number 7. Generating scripts for videos and audio content. ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for videos and audio content such as podcast episodes. This can help increase engagement and lead to more ad revenue or sponsorships. Number 8. Content generation for books and ebooks. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content for books and ebooks, helping authors save time and increase productivity.